Popular vlogger and content creator Jay Frey has been charged for his alleged role in Sunday's controversial shooting incident at the Big Wall Music Festival at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center in St. Andrew. Jay Frey, whose given name is J.D. Richards, was formally charged this afternoon with unauthorized possession of a prohibited weapon and ammunition, shooting with intent, wounding with intent, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. Up to late this evening, detectives were questioning music producer Javi Ambassador Morrison, who is also implicated in the incident. He's also expected to be charged in the case. The charges come hours after a judge ordered that the men be charged or released by 6 this evening. The men have been in custody since the shooting incident, which has sparked much public debate. It's alleged that they opened gunfire on each other during a heated dispute. 3 people, including Richards, were shot in the incident, one of them a visitor to the island.